Okay, day one of work at Garcia Street Urban Farm. We are standing here at the discharge point of a drainage that drains, I don't know, a couple hundred feet of road, half a block, half a city block. The water comes out and discharges here where you can see all the grass nice and green. And then it goes and it hits the railroad easement and just barrels down the railroad easement, causing damage and erosion to critical infrastructure. Instead of causing a critical infrastructure liability, we are pulling it off on contour using a laser level to make sure we have perfectly level lines, accurate to a millimeter or two, 3/16 of an inch every 100 feet to be more precise. Right now I am stacking mulch on the uphill side because as we dig the swale part, we're going to incorporate this mulch into the existing soil, adding organic matter, dump it on the downhill side of these flags. That big brown area you see over there, they called it like Mount Mulchmore or something. It was just a huge pile of mulch, lots and lots and lots of dumps from a tree service. We're still walking this pink flag. The area where the mulch was, they want to put a gazebo kind of thing, a pergola gazebo kind of thing, shaded. So they needed the mulch gone. Well, we needed mulch to add to this contour orchard design. So I'm just walking the top swale for a baseline. You can sort of see what was here. This definitely has some better soil than the other areas. The grass is definitely greener. There is a young olive here, another olive there. We will see there's a huge olive just down the street at another garden, food forest, Pittman Sullivan Community Gardens at Pittman Sullivan Park in San Antonio, Texas. And so we're going to stop this swale right about here. Part of the reason was they tried to drill a hole and they hit some infrastructure, such as a pipe, 1.25 PVC, I believe. So we can have a an outlet right here that easily feeds this swale. But what really is going to feed this swale is all the roofs and all the roads in that neighborhood. Again, catching stormwater, irrigating food forests, turning flooding liabilities into biologically filtered groundwater assets, growing persimmons and apples. The shade trees are mitigating urban heat island. I think this is the one that had persimmons on it, but I'm not seeing it now. But this next one's a winner. And hopefully it will continue to be a winner when it gets extra water. Thanks for watching, guys.